whenever we have to solve any trig equation, for example, if it is cos x is equal to 1 by 2, and let's say for now we are just trying to restrict that between 0 to 2 pi. Then once we are done with this, we will move on with negative pi to 0 later. Okay, so the easiest way to solve such type of questions is using graph. You should be aware with the graph of such functions, and you can definitely make it on the graphing calculator. So the graph of cos x will be this between 0 to 2 pi. And if I take cos x is equal to 1 by 2, so always understand that these are two different functions which are being simultaneously solved. Though we never write like this, but we can understand them like this. It means that y is equal to 1 by 2 is a line which will be like this, which will cross like this, and it will intersect cos x at the points. These points are the answers. Okay. Before moving forward, I will extend my graph because the actual question had x between negative pi to 2 pi. So if I want to just move on with the graph on the left hand side, I will just draw in a similar way, and it will go like this till pi, till negative pi. So there is one extra point which we are going to get on the other side also. Okay, so in short, there will be three answers we are getting from here. Now, how do we get these answers? So the simplest way for that is cos x is equal to 1 by 2. If you do cos inverse, then you will get the value of x as cos inverse of 1 by 2, that is pi by 3. Okay. Whether you should take your answer in degree or radians, it entirely depends on the question. If this limit would have been given in degrees, we would have talked about everything in degrees. Right now, it should be radian. So one value is pi by 3. Another positive value of cos comes in the fourth quadrant. So another value will be 2 pi minus pi by 3. Okay. And another positive value of cos will come between 0 to negative pi by 2, and it will be straight away negative pi by 3. Because if you look at the graph carefully, these 2 points are exactly equal and opposite of that vertical line. So whatever it is over here, pi by 3, it should be same with a negative sign on the other side. So my answers will be pi by 3. 2 pi minus pi by 3, if I solve, it will be 5 pi by 3. And the other one is negative pi by 3. So this is how we can solve for these type of questions for whatever range they ask for.